Hello and welcome back to Direct Health and Fitness. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into. Deadlifts. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know about deadlifts, why they are essential, and how to perform them with proper form. So let's get right to it. To begin, let's clarify what deadlifts actually are. Deadlifts are a fundamental compound exercise that primarily targets your posterior chain, including your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. They involve lifting a loaded barbell from the ground and standing up straight. Form is of utmost importance for optimal results in injury prevention. Why are deadlifts important? Deadlifts offer numerous benefits that make them a staple in strength training routines. First off, they increase overall strength and muscle mass by engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Secondly, deadlifts enhance core stability and promote better posture, reducing the risk of back pain and improving your daily functional movements. Additionally, deadlifts improve grip strength, making everyday tasks easier and improving performance in other exercises. Now, let's focus on how to perform a deadlift with correct form. Following these steps will ensure you reap the maximum benefits while minimizing the risk of injury. Begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart, with the barbell placed in front of you. Keep the barbell centered over your midfoot to maintain balance and stability. Bend down, grasping the bar just outside your legs, ensuring your grip is firm and comfortable. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your hips while maintaining a flat back and slightly arched chest. Your shoulders should be slightly in front of the bar, and your gaze should be forward. Push through your heels, engaging your posterior chain, and lift the barbell until standing erect. Keep your arms straight and maintain control throughout the movement. To lower the bar, hinge at your hips, pushing them backward while maintaining a flat back. Lower the bar down to the ground, ensuring it stays close to your body. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of deadlifts, from their significance to proper execution. Remember, consistent practice, patience, and attention to form are key to mastering this exercise. Incorporate deadlifts into your fitness routine to boost your strength, improve your posture, and enhance overall athletic performance. And, as always, listen to your body and consult a professional if you have any concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness-related content. We're here to support you on your journey to a healthier, stronger self. Stay tuned, stay motivated, and happy deadlifting. If functional movement is important to you, you may want to watch this video.